Sometimes you may sell things that need to be created before you can ship them to your customers. This video is going to show you how to do that. So let's take a look at a sales order. Taking a look at the quick view, each of these items is an assembly. If you don't know how to create assemblies, take a look at that video. So from the sales order, we can create a work order by choosing that option on the drop-down menu. You can see that on the work order, each item for sale has been placed onto the work order. You can add instructions and then save. From the work order, you can create a purchase order, print it out in a PDF, or you can record the build immediately. Clicking Record is going to bring you to the Edit Build Transaction screen. If you use Work Centers, make sure that you choose Finished Goods and click Save. This will take the components out of inventory and place the finished goods into inventory. Going back to the work order in View mode, we can see that when we clicked Record, it has built that first item. Let's do the same for the second. Again, choose Finished Goods for your work center. And then we'll go to our work order for a third time to build our third component. Taking one last look at the work order, we can see that all of our items have now been built. So now it's time to fulfill the sales order. Let's go back to our sales order. Using the drop-down menu, we'll create a shipment and ship the items that we just created. You can see all items are there, so let's click Save. Now that the sale has been shipped, the last step is to invoice the sale. Going back to the sales order list, we'll use the drop-down menu and choose Create Invoice. Clicking Save and Close creates the invoice, and this completes the process.